Along those lines, I always hear these things about those countries that cry out that, well, you don't allow this in the United States or you're against this. Can you tell me any countries that give our law a higher standard of eligibility than they do their own law?
I am not aware of any country that places our law above theirs, Senator.
Nor am I, and I've lived under residency status in China, Taiwan, Thailand, Iraq, worked in Burma, Laos, Cambodia for over 20 years of my life, and I can tell you right now, our laws mean nothing in those countries, and I follow the rules and regulations and visas, exit permits just to leave country. In some of those countries, when I would leave for just a week, I would come back and have to be tested for HIV. They were very strict, and I followed those guidelines, but not one ever accommodated me because of my American passport or American citizenship.
And I would just follow up, say, I appreciate the concern of that in dealing with trade and many other things, but I just would never say that. Thank you for the answer.
Senator Vaughn?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Maybe that I had read this when it came up a month ago or so, and I'm trying to get back up to speed here, but on page 3, line 2, it says, begins there, a court ruling or decision violates public policy of the state and is void and unenforceable if the court bases its ruling. So, I mean, but who makes the court order void and unenforceable? Do you go to court to do that? I don't understand how that would even work. If the court has ruled something, where do you go to invoke this law?
Well, I believe as far as the application becomes, Senator, then you would have to point out that somebody is bringing to you a void article on its face because of prior acts. But I believe that's what we're stating here, is that this would be void on its face based on these acts. Now, how would one determine that? Well, somebody would have to present this item to you in an appropriate venue in order to have it made appropriate for this jurisdiction, to which your counter would be, this article is void on its face because of these prior acts. So I believe you'd already be in the venue, Senator.
Well, what I'm getting at is, I mean, we are, as a legislative body, apparently, if we were to pass this, going to declare court rulings or decisions void and unenforceable. And it seems to me that's on like a case-by-case basis. So I don't understand how the legislature can even do that, or where we would go to do that. Are we going to set up a committee that allows people to bring in court rulings, and Senator Rice and Senator King be on that committee and determine that they're void and unenforceable because it violates HB 1041?